I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. All right. Hi, friends. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah. For those that are new here and for those that are just coming back, hey. So today we'll be doing a little haul video. This will be my first clothing haul video and I'm super duper excited. I have a few pieces from different places, a few of them from my closet, a few of them from a recent shopping thing. So I was like, let me just film a little video haul for the girls. I've never done this before, so bear with me. I will be putting the pieces together and how I usually wear them. And I mean, yeah, I'll let you guys know where I got them from, whichever ones I can remember. Like I said, some of them are straight from my closet, but I will try to make this like a color series for the next few months. And as you have maybe guessed it, today's color is gonna be green. Here we go. So I do have a few pieces, a few outfit choices behind me, and I'm just gonna be trying them on and putting them together. Hopefully you guys like this. All right, let's go. Okay, so this is the first look. It's basically all black. It's a top, long sleeves, just jeans. I got these from Old Navy. A cute little belt. Also got it from Old Navy. And this little cover up, which has short sleeves, so it's perfect for when you wear anything long sleeve. I love it. It has some little pockets. I think I got this one from Just Fab. And I will rock it with some loafers, all black loafers, nice and comfy. So you can dress it up or dress it down, or you can also rock it with some heels. These are some cute little green heels I got from like, I don't know, just a little shoe store. Super cute. It actually matches this. So it's a cute little outfit. Ooh, first of all, yes, honey. And I love this dress because it's hugging me just right. Look number 2 is this little green number, y'all. Super cute. I'm rocking it with some heels. I don't know if you guys can see that. They're like sandals. I rocked this dress for my birthday, actually. You guys up a little bit so you guys can see this. So, okay, love. Rocked this dress for my birthday. I added this red blazer over it. And listen, it was a look. It just makes the green pop. Yes, honey. Yes. Super cute, super simple, easy to rock. I think you can like do like dinner with this dress. So this blazer is from Express. And I loved it. Look number 2. Alrighty. This is the next fit. So they're just a regular old long pants from Zara. Material is everything. It's nice and thick. Paired it with a one piece from Forever 21 that I had for a while ago. Once again with the heels. I love these because the bottom, they're wide leg. So the bottom is flared. I'm trying to like back up to see if you guys can see me. It's kind of far. But the bottom is flared. And then y'all, they hug everything just right. Okay. Love them. Another little cute green number. You can add like a little jacket to this. A little cute leather jacket. Or, you know, can go out like this. So this is outfit number 4. As you guys can see, it's kind of like the inverse, but blue jeans with it. Jeans are from Zara. I love them because they're like extra long and flare at the bottom. Let me see if I can back up. You guys can see they have slits in the knees, which is super cute to me. And they have slits in the bottom as well. The top is from Shein. It's like a one-piece little cute green suit. And y'all, this is perfect because it's still a little bit of winter left over in LA, although it's beautiful today. But for wherever you live, you know, beautiful, nice long sleeve. You can wear this on a girl's day. You can do this for brunch. You can even wear it like out to the club. I paired it with some with my red bottom, black heels, and super duper cute. Simple yet adorable, okay? Okay, y'all. So this is look number 5. Super cute dress. Ignore the back. It's not even closed. I have nobody here to help me. Yes. So this is a cute little bandage dress. Band-aid dress? What? Yes. Super duper thick material. So it has this little cute crisscross thing in the front. So you can leave it open if you're, you know, wanting to show some skin and stuff like that. But I chose to put like just a little black top underneath it, and it's still super duper cute. Okay, babies are giving. Okay, and man, I love these type of dresses because they just hug everything so right and tight. Okay, give you guys a little spin. Yes, and perfect for a night out. This was one of my other birthday dresses from a few years back, and I just love it. I still have it in my closet. I feel like it's one of those little staple pieces. I believe I got this dress from Hot Miami Styles. Yes, I got this dress from Hot Miami Styles, and y'all, love it. It's giving. Wear it with some cute jewelry, and either pair it with some black pumps or nude pumps, or if you know, if you really want to go bold, red jacket on top of it. Yes, no, maybe so. I love this dress. Get into it. Yes, it's like giving. Okay, it gives you like that natural curvy look. What do they call it? The BBL body. Au naturel. Without the BBL. Yes. This one here, y'all, army fatigue pants. Okay, super duper cute. They have a belt here that really accentuates your waist. I got these from Zara, and the top is also, you know, basics from Zara as well. Super cute. I love this because you can really play with it with different colors. You can pair this with like a black top. You can pair it with like a yellow top or a red top and just rock it. Y'all, this is super cute. And the bottom of the pants are like flared. Love it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but you can rock it with heels, you can rock it with flats, you can be relaxed with this look, or you can dress it up. Alright, this one was my absolute favorite, so I say the best for last for you guys. Yes! Yay! I finished my first fashion haul, reel, video, whatever you want to call it. I did it. I will be coming back with some more. This was the green series. So, yep. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. Let me know if you guys like this. I'm not the most fashionable girl, but I be trying to put some pieces together, you know. So let me know if you guys like these type of videos so I can give you guys some more. Alrighty, I'm out. Make sure to like the page, comment, subscribe. I know I haven't been on here for a minute, but your girl is back, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys. Mwah. Toodles.